Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super simple yet powerful trick in Canva that can make managing your designs way easier. How to switch to grid view. Whether you're working on a presentation, a photo book, or any multi-page project, this view will completely change the way you organize and navigate your work. Stick around because by the end, you'll be able to see your entire project at a glance and work faster than ever. First, let's open your Canva design. Look down at the bottom toolbar and find the little grid icon. It looks like a cluster of small squares. Clicking on this icon is all it takes to switch from your normal single page view to the grid layout. Just one click and you're ready to see your project in a whole new way. Functionality of grid view. What happens when you switch to grid view? All your pages appear side by side, almost like a deck of cards spread out on a table. This gives you a complete overview of your project. You can quickly spot inconsistencies, track your layout flow, and get a sense of your entire design at once. It's perfect for projects with multiple pages because it makes navigation and editing much smoother. Editing and navigation. Now, while in grid view, you still have full control over your pages. Click any page to zoom in and make detailed edits. Need to reorder your pages? Simply drag and drop them into the position you want. Grid view also makes it easier to maintain a consistent design style across all pages since you can see everything in one glance. It's like having a bird's eye view of your entire project, making adjustments faster and smarter. Returning to single view. When you're done, returning to your usual single page view is just as easy. Click the same grid icon again and you're back to focusing on one page at a time. Simple, intuitive, and efficient. And that's it. Changing to grid view in Canva is a small step that makes a huge difference, especially for larger projects. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and leave a comment sharing your favorite Canva feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.